What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are staying green. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. In this video, I wanted to show you guys how to set an alert for your Webull stocks. This is extremely helpful when you guys are planning on buying or selling after or before resistance. Sometimes people don't want to necessarily put in a limit order. They want to see how the stock price came to it about. Is it above the resistance? Is it just breaking the resistance? Did it just touch the resistance? May get rejected. So it's beneficial to look at it and analyze it before you automatically set in a limit order. Because stock price doesn't really mean anything unless the candlestick finishes above the resistance. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to set an alert. All you guys need to do is just click on a stock that you like. For me, I'm going to practice with this one. Go ahead and click on this notification bell down here. Just go ahead and click on that. As you guys see, I already have 3 saved because I've used alerts on this stock before. I wanted to get in at a lower price, so I set in these alerts down here below. And you can make an alert for above the price or below it. So we're going to go ahead and make a new one. I'm planning on buying more shares, so I'm going to go ahead and put on price below. I do not want to buy it at, what price is it right now? 98 cents, right? I don't want to buy it at 98 cents, so I made an alert for it being the price below. So when it reaches 98 cents, if it reaches, the stock price goes below that price, then it will give me notifications saying that, hey, it reached 98 cents. Or if I'm looking to buy at 97 cents, I put at 97 cents, my phone will get a notification. I've gotten many this morning above for these notifications right here. So I'm going to go ahead and activate this one, this new one I just made. And I'm going to go ahead and put repeats once per day. I like that, having it in the morning. And you can also add your custom notes down here, which is pretty cool, about like what strategy you're using, price movement news. This just tells you, just create an alert for the stock price. That's really all you need to know right now. News, it's like if any news comes out for the stock, would you like to receive a notification? That's pretty cool. Other than that, that's just, that's just extra stuff. Go ahead, check it out. Learn it and see if you guys want to add it on. But other than that, we have our alert created, saved right here. All right, so as you guys see here, we have that orange line. So the stock price is the blue line, and once it dips below to that orange line, we'll get an alert, right? We put price below. So we'll get a notification at the top of our phone saying, hey, your price is under 97 cents. So we're all good to go. We're all good to go there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do have any other questions, let me know down in the comments below. Hope you guys stay green. Peace out.